Today we're at Rancho Cucamonga in California. Look at those majestic hills way beyond. We're at the corner of Baseline and Archibald Avenue. It's Christmas, so I think it's quieter than the usual because people are at home spending time with their loved ones, as you all should be. But I'm waiting for my order, so while waiting, just thought to walk around, show you the neighborhood. Here, there's a lot of good places to eat. You know, there's fast food options. There's a Taco Bell here. There's several Indian stores there. There's chicken. There's what else? There are Baskin Robbins over there on the other side. Here, other than Taco Bell, I think there's more options down here. But above the street, there's an IHOP. So, let's just see what we have here. We have donuts. What is this? Let's see if I can pick up some donuts today. Red hot donuts, huh? Interesting. Yeah, if there's one city I'd recommend staying in, the South LA area, South California area, if you want to be close to LA, Las Vegas, in between, it's the Upland or Rancho Cucamonga area. There's several hotels here. It's nice because there's a lot of good parks for the kids, churches if you want to attend mass. I'm a Catholic, so it's good to have options here. There's lots of good food, lots of Filipino, if you're Indian, Chinese options. Oh, they're closed, too bad. Oh, it's gonna be nice. Nice. See what else you have here. And you have the a Dollar Tree. And let's see what else. Oh, they have a here in this corner. They have a 99 Ranch Market. So that makes me happy. There's some good Asian food here. And then there's outside 99 Ranch Market, you'll have tea shop, salon, a noodle shop. Oh, that's China Pepper Restaurant, Red Chili House. Oh, all sound delicious. Should I go first? Let's see if I can show you what's the inside of the 99 Ranch Market. Ooh. It's like special promotions here. $10 per box. Oh. If you're familiar with the TNT in Canada, in BC in particular, yes, same feel. It's the same kind of food too. Yes, there's a cooked food section. Let's see. Let's see the cooked food section, and then we'll wrap up our video for today once we get to that. Now we're at the meat section. Oh yeah, looks like there is a kitchen. Oh, that's exactly like TNT. Let's see what we have in there for cooked food. Peanuts, of course. Sushi. Chicken with chili oil. Very nice. Looks like it's a chunk wallet. The item combo is $12. $12 US. So yeah, we're at Rancho Cucamonga by intersection of Baldy and Archibald. There's a 99 Ranch Market very close to the area.